Well, driving on Victoria's roads during the winter months can be challenging and unpredictable, especially when you add rain and foggy conditions to the mix. And it's at this time of year when we see a spike in the amount of roadkill. So, GV drivers are being urged to stay more alert for local wildlife, as Ashley Gardner reports.
Yeah, a lot of extra animals come in this time of the year because it gets darker earlier. Traffic, people coming home from work are driving in the dark now, and we get the fog and the rain, and the animals are on the move because they're all nocturnal, which causes car accidents and animals getting hurt and injured.
Pulled from their mothers' pouches on the roadside, these baby wombats are just a few of the orphaned animals to make their way here to the Haven. The local wildlife sanctuary is part of the Wise Trust. Property manager Andrew Voss says he's witnessed a spike in the number of native wildlife being dropped off by passing motorists.
Within one fortnight, 2 weeks, we ended up with 5 young wombats come in. We had a couple young joeys come in which didn't make it, but we're here to try.
And with around 100 animals at the sanctuary in need of varying levels of care, it can be a big job looking after so many injured wildlife.
Well, depending on how small the animals are, some of the baby wombats and joeys and things have got to be put into incubators and brooders and on heat pads. Some come in with a bit of fur, some come in bald, still as little joeys. And most of the wombats and kangaroos can take up to 2 years of rehabilitation and getting them back into the wild again.
Andrew's message for motorists is simple: slow down and reduce the risk of a collision.
When it's wet, foggy and dark, it doesn't hurt to drop a few k's off your speed, just to slow down, and it gives you more of a chance to see the animal when it comes out on the road and gives the animal a chance to get away from your vehicle.